Hello mga ka-Anli, 2024 na! Happy New Year sa lahat! I'm on my way back to Manila dahil bagong taon, bagong simula tayo. Excited? Oo naman. Pero bukod dyan, excited na rin ako sa ipapalit ko sa Relax Infinity device ko. Pagbaba ko dito, i-unbox ko. Samahan niyo ako? Sana ba yung bagong device ko? Ayun! This is the Relax Infinity 2. Much improved with advanced technology for a premium vaping experience. So yun na nga ang mga laman ng box natin. And this is the device. Same sleek design, but ultimately a game changer. You know why? Because you can tune it your way with this new device depending on your vaping mood. Ang galing, di ba? Let me try it with this purple snow pod. By the way, ultra fast charging nga pala tong device na to. And extended ang battery life. Wow! And the 3 modes, the eco mode, the smooth mode, and the boost mode. Pero kahit anong mode pa yan, smooth and consistent. A perfect way to start